Hi, my name is Craig Doeden. I'm a Solutions Manager for Century Business and Catalyst IT. Today we are going to go over toner replacement on the 2, 3, and 4 series Kyocera devices. Kyocera uses a unique locking feature to prevent toner from being replaced early. The only time that these doors will open is when it is time to replace toner. This down here is your waste toner bottle. What's unique about Kyocera is the waste toner bottle here is actually the old black toner that was in here. So once the black toner is used up, it becomes your waste toner bottle. So step one, when we open this door, we will see that the black toner is asking to be replaced. It only opens the door when it's completely empty. What we do is we take this used black toner, we pull that out of the device. Once we pull it out of the device, we do not throw this away. This becomes your new waste toner bottle. Every time that you replace your black cartridge, you replace the waste toner bottle with this new bottle that we take out. You will notice that you will have a gray plastic piece. It's in the down position. What you simply do is you rotate it 180 degrees. When it is empty, we open up our waste toner bottle compartment. We pull out the waste toner bottle. This one will be thrown away. The empty bottle that we took out becomes your waste toner bottle by flipping 180 degrees and placing it inside of the device. Remove the new toner from the box, shake it 10 times, and insert the gray cover down into the device. And close it up, and close this up, and your toner has been replaced. If we are replacing the colors, you simply have the door open, pulls it out. It looks very similar to this, just smaller. Those will be recycled, and you grab your new toner and you put your new toner in place of that. When you place these toners into the device from the box new, you want to make sure that that black piece is down. Simply put it back in, close it, and now it's ready to go.